So today in this video, what we're going to do is we're going to break down baby step number 3, and that is to stop scab picking. Yep, you want to stop scab picking, okay? This is exactly what it sounds like. In baby step number 3, what you really want to do is you want to focus on reducing or stopping the activities or behaviors that trigger your pain. Anything that triggers your pain, you want to avoid temporarily. This is not long term, this is just short term, okay? So, what that really means for stopping scab picking is that you want to reduce or decrease aggravating activity, okay? You want to know that if you're stretching a nerve that's irritated, it's going to cause you more irritation, more inflammation, and that just makes sense. Going back to baby step number 2, which is practicing first aid, if you had a cut, right? If you really had a cut and you had a Band-Aid and you put the Band-Aid on top of it, you wouldn't just rip it right off after putting it on and start digging your finger in there to rip open that scab, right? Or that cut. Now, that would be the exact opposite. And why would you, if somebody is stretching or exercising, constantly feeling triggering symptoms, why would you continue to do these activities if they're causing more problems? Now, this is a huge step that you should be doing in conjunction with baby step number 2, is 2 and 3 at the same time, right? That is reducing your activity in terms of scab picking, in terms of aggravating activity, and then increasing those things that actually make you feel better. The short-term goal for those 2 and 3 are to really help reduce your pain and reduce inflammation, okay? Reduce inflammation. You want to start asking yourself, once you're in this question, what are activities that hurt? What hurts you, right? What makes it better? Okay, if this hurts, you want to stop that, okay? You don't want to do that. Are you sure that this is creating your pain, and is this triggering your symptoms? Again, this is a very basic step, but this is a step that a lot of people avoid as well. You want to stop aggravating activities short term. The goal will be to eventually introduce these steps long term, but in the short term, you definitely want to avoid triggering or damaging any soft tissue injury, any muscle, any nerve, or any part of your body further, right? That would only make sense. You do not want to create more pain and more damage in a structure that's already irritated or injured, okay? So just make sure you stop this, and if you just stop this alone, many times people just start to feel better right away.